Just wanna see the light.
Hello, this is a code flow. In this video we will learn how we can factory reset or hard reset any Android devices or Samsung devices. The process of factory reset in any Android devices are similar. I will test this method on Samsung J720 or Samsung J720. Firstly, we have to switch off the devices. Then, hold volume plus button and home button. Now, while holding volume plus and home button, power on the devices. Do not release any button until recovery menu is appear. From recovery menu use volume up and down to select the option. We will select wipe data or factory reset. And press power button to select that menu. Finally, select yes and press power button. Now, your device will be reset as factory default. At last, reboot your device. While rebooting the device, it will take time. Some devices take 2 minutes and some take more than 5 minutes. So wait until you reach to welcome menu. Thank you for watching. If you have any difficulties, please comment below with your device model number. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.